South Carolina. You can talk about anything you want. Give it a go. And as I always say, I would love to hear from you Democrats, you liberals, you progressives. Who's going to be the magic bullet? We keep being told that the priority is to take out Trump. You need a guy who can beat Trump. They all keep saying, I'm Donald Trump's worst nightmare. Amy Klobuchar stood there in her sensible shoes on the stage in New Hampshire and said she's the one who can beat Trump. And it's slowly beginning to dawn on these people that they are going to look to either, they've got a choice between a full-blown socialist who honeymoons in the Soviet Union, and I know everyone gets tired of that lie. The left hate it. Why do you keep saying that? It's just his honeymoon. Yeah, a honeymoon is usually pretty special, actually. A lot of people think, where should I go to the honeymoon? Should we go have one of those destination honeymoons in the Caribbean to make it a little something, memories that we'll treasure for a lifetime? I don't know anyone who actually have you ever been to the Soviet Union? I mean, at that point in the 80s, it was at its worst. I was here the other day and I did my old gag from the 1980s about the Moscow supermarkets where every checkout line is for 9 items or less. It was hell. Who the hell would honeymoon there? What do you think the honeymoon suite is at the Communist Party headquarters? What do you think that's like? So we are going to keep making that joke because it's a very telling joke. And on the other hand, you've got that, and you've got Mr. Billionaire Republican, pseudo-Republican. I endorse George W. Bush, and I spend 3 days a week. I get in my bed roundabout now, every Friday. I don't know, maybe he's doing something different this weekend and he's campaigning somewhere. But if it was a normal week for Mike Bloomberg, as he did every week when he was mayor of New York, roundabout now he's getting into his Gulfstream and going to Bermuda to spend 3 of his 7 days a week in Bermuda on British sovereign territory. What do you think, George? Do you think George Washington spent 3 days a week on British sovereign territory? So that's the choices. That's the choice. You Democrats, you've got to be loving this. Call me up. Tell me what you think of it. 1-800-282-2882.
You're listening to the EIB Network. News Radio 920 and 104.7 FM.
You want the best protection for your online activities and identity. It comes from Norton, folks. They are the leaders in cybersecurity. Now, last year, they introduced Norton Secure VPN. It's the most effective way that you and